Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. We can do that with Bloomberg's Nora Melinda. Nora, what are you looking at?
Looking at shares of Costco right now in trading, that's ticker COST. We are seeing shares falling as much as 4.1%. This is their worst day that we're seeing since June of this year. So we saw the company reported quarterly profit that was better than expectations, but it seems as though people are kind of viewing the report as overall very mixed. I mean, Truist is saying that while they are leading to a lot of the exclusive shopping hours and Instacart credit are leading toward a significant number of trade-ups, Costco's valuation makes it challenging to put fresh money to work. So we are seeing some pressure right now on the stock and trading today as people really digest those results that we saw.
Hot dog and a Coke, $2.50.
That hasn't changed, right?
And the pizza.
It's never changed. What's that?
The pizza, fantastic. I mean,
Really?
I like to swing in there and get a slice.
Okay.
Not too bad.
Those are all loss leaders for Costco because they
Right.
know everything else. The price point is at least $10.
Right.
Let's talk a little bit about pharma companies, starting
Right.
with the biggest, Eli Lilly.
Yes, keeping eyes on Eli Lilly today. That's ticker LLY. And of course, this is after the news that we've been seeing regarding tariffs. This has been very topical as of late here. So we were looking at U.S. drug makers in particular because President Donald Trump said that he announced a plan to impose a 100% tariff on branded and patented drug imports. And so he did include exemptions for companies with U.S. manufacturing. So as you would expect, you are seeing a bit of a tailwind here for these U.S. Homegrown pharmaceutical companies. But it seems as though you guys will be digging into that a bit more. As to what that will look like here. But we are seeing a bit of pop in shares here for Eli Lilly, up as much as 2% right now in trading.
All right, how about some of the home furnishings companies? They're also, I don't know where that came from. Why does he have a problem with the home furnishing?
I mean, more tariffs here.
All
So
right.
looking at shares of furniture retailers, as you mentioned right now, RH is one of the names that I have in focus here. That's ticker RH. Makes it pretty easy for you there. Shares are down as much as 4% in trading today. And this is really just pressure that we're seeing here after Donald Trump announced that the U.S. will enact new tariffs on imported kitchen cabinets, bathroom vanities, and other home products next week. So, I mean, we do know that the CEO of RH has been a critic of Trump's trade policy. They are seeing the stock fall as much as 4%, as I'm saying today, that we're seeing here on this Friday. So lots to kind of keep an eye on as we're looking at the furniture retailers and where tariffs are really ricocheting into different sectors here.
Yeah, certainly bad news for most people because I can't think of that many pieces of furniture that are made on a large scale inside the U.S.
Yeah,
Right.
I mean, we were just talking about the fact that so many furniture stores are down south, North Carolina, Virginia, but much of it, really a lot of the materials being imported here.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.